Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AutoCAD's tutorial. In today's video we will learn how to draw a line. To use line command, use the draw panel, select line. By looking at the command line, we will get to know further what we have to do. So here it says to specify first point, for which we left click and line starts to form. It then asks you to specify next point. Click where you want your next point to be. As you can see, now below we have two options: specify next point, close or undo. I will now close, for which I type C or just select close and it gets closed. Now to draw a straight line, L enter. Again I click left button to form a line, and now I press F8 key to ortho on. In command line you will see ortho on. To draw horizontal line, move the mouse in that direction. Similarly, we can draw a vertical line. Now to draw lines with dimensions, use we type the required number, or suppose I want 5000 mm. So I type the required number. In vertical, same, I type required number. Again same, I type 5000 in vertical direction. So we just learned how to draw a straight line with dimensions. Now we learn how to draw in a 45-degree angle. Turn off ortho by clicking F8 or Ctrl L. Click 45 angle, for which just tab and type 45. This is how we can draw a line with 45 angle. You can also measure this angle by using DAN command. Dimension angular. Select first line, select second line. You will get the angle 45 degree.